I come from Dakshina Kannada district. Sir, we had a meter gauge train running from the district headquarters to the bordering Subramania Road. This meter gauge was converted to broad gauge in the year 2005. Thereafter, this train was discontinued, sir. Presently, this train is running from Mangalore to Kabaka, Puttur. The train number is 056645, which falls under the Southwestern Railway. I request the Honorable Minister to continue the train which was earlier running from Mangalore to Subramania Road, which will facilitate students and all the people from our district. This is the only passenger train running in our district, so I would request the Honorable Minister to continue the train to Subramania Road so that all the people from our district would facilitate to come to the district headquarters. Sir. Thank you.
Honorable Speaker, sir, Captain Brajesh ji is a very respectable ex-serviceman and Honorable MP now. So I'll request him that whenever he finds time, he could come and discuss with me separately. Every individual project, every individual train issue, we are open to discussion and we can discuss it separately whenever he comes.
That's my gadget. Let's go have some fun then.
Introducing the hot and techy Brezza SCNG. Cool new SCNG tech for a cool new generation.